Hey guys, today I'm going to teach you how to load the Excel file into data frame and how to search through it and ask for answers by using Ollama. And this is very similar example as with CSV that we done in our previous episode, with few minor changes. So first what I'm going to do, I'm going to show you my Excel file. It's really simple dummy data with names and ages of those people. And now what I'm going to do first, I'm going to import from langchain Ollama, import LLM, Ollama LLM, because we are going to need our model in order for this to work. Now I'm going to import pandas as because we are going to use pandas in order to import the data from Excel file. And now from langchain experimental agents, agent toolkit, import create pandas data frame agent. Okay. There are many different ways in order to import data from Excel file, but at least by my opinion this is maybe the simplest and the best one. Now I'm going to create path and I'm going to give path to my Excel file, so it's dummy data XLS. Now I'm going to create a loader and I'm going to use pandas, not PS, PD, sorry, PD, read Excel, and I'm going to provide path as argument. First I'm going to print this loader out so you can see that all of data is in place. Let me show you. Yeah, you can see. And now let's continue. So I'm going to remove this print statement and I'm going to create Llama. First I'm going to give name of my model that I'm going to use. I'm going to use DeepSeek R1 1,5 billion parameters. Okay, and now I'm going to create actual object Ollama LLM and I'm going to give optional argument Llama. You can also provide string directly, doesn't matter, and I'm going to set temperature of 0,5. This is usual practice, but in this case on my machine we are actually not going to get data as result, more likely. We are going to get actual code that can be used in order to pull that data out from my Excel file. So now when I have LLM object, I'm going to create agent with create pandas data frame agent, and first I'm going to provide LLM object, then I'm going to provide a loader that contains actual data. We're both of course set to true, and we need one more, allow dangerous code set to true also, or without it we are not going to be able to run this code. Okay, and of course agent handle parsing errors, set this to true in order to avoid problems. And finally agent invoke, and I'm going to ask get me names of people from the file older than 23. And now what to do with that? Print the result. All right. Going to save this code and I'm going to run it. So after first response, I stepped out from the code and this is result. So this top part, it's actually LLM thinking about my demands. And this is final answer. It creates code that if we run, we are going to get desirable result. So guys, that's all for this episode. I hope that you learned something new and interesting. So please like, subscribe and see ya!